Ito may kamote din. Talong is life. Ayan, daming talong dito guys. Daming gulay dito. Gulay is life. Masarap ito gawing salad. Oo. Salad na talong. Lagyan mo ng kamatis at saka yung bombay. Kalamansi. Ilalagay mo. Salad na yan. Masarap yan. Talong salad. Sapat na. Ulam for today. Ayan. Masarap-sarap yan. Nilalagyan ko ng kamatis at saka pipino. Ayan. Pampalakas ng katawan. Gulay is life. Hello. Good morning. Thank you for watching. God bless. Love you all.